it still sometimes feels unbelievable. You know that feeling you wake up and you're trying to remember your dream and you're suddenly memories just pouring down. Sometimes it's just like that. I wake up and I forgot and then I remember. Still feels surreal. Yeah. Hi everyone. First of all, I'm Nida. Originally I'm from Erzurum. It's like an eastern part of the Turkey, and I've been in the coffee sector for 7 years, since 2017. Yeah. Not really. Of course, I dreamed about it down to the last detail. Yeah, I believed it. I mean, I had the chance as much as anyone else, so why not? But like that moment, like me actually winning the whole thing was really surreal. It still sometimes feels unbelievable. You know that feeling you wake up and you're trying to remember your dream and you're suddenly memories just pouring down. Sometimes it's just like that. I wake up and I forgot and then I remember. So yeah, it's weird and sometimes still feels surreal. Well, first things first, I check the roasting date and I check the process, what kind of coffee is it, the roast level, and all sorts of information I could get from the package, even the smell or the sound of it when I grind it. So all of those things become together and you create a recipe. Oh, definitely florals. White flowers, especially like jasmine, melissa or elderflower. I like those kind of flavors. Other than that, I like sweet flavors like ripe fruits. I like those kind of flavors. Okay, first of all, be courageous. Anyone can do it. I mean, if it happened to me, it can happen to anyone else. So my first and foremost advice would be this: just be courageous and trust your coffee. Whatever coffee you have, just get the best thing that you can get your hands on, which is what you said to me when we first talked. And that will be my second advice: just get your hands on the best coffee you can get. So that's it. And trust yourself. Well, like you can create 1,000 recipes for just one coffee using different equipment. So what I look for, what coffee I have and my equipment in hand would work for that. I look for like, does it look nice? Because the appearance is the first thing you notice. So I look for the clues, like what elements could help me to create a better brew, like the heat resistance or the shape of it. Is it flat or conical? Or the material of it, is it something durable? And I consider all of that. First, going to the World Championships and winning it would be the top dream, I guess. But other than that, more realistically, visiting a farm in Colombia or in Southern America would be great. That's my definitely before the competition. That has been my biggest dream about coffee. Visiting a farm, seeing those. Seeing the whole process, seeing a real life, real time coffee tree would be my biggest dream, I guess. Oh, the coffee scene in Ankara is really vibrant, especially in the last few years. It became huge because a lot of roasteries have opened up, and people are really curious about roasting their own coffees and creating their own recipes and stuff. It's not just about serving coffee to customers, but actually I like that we became a community, especially like between the roasters. So I really like that. It's a good thing, and I think Ankara is really moving forward in that sense, and that's why winning a championship in Ankara, as a person from Ankara, yeah, I'm really proud of that.